In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border shadow in Photopea. First, open your web browser and head to Photopea, the free browser-based photo editor. Once the page loads, look for the main start panel and choose Open from Computer. Pick the image you want to enhance and confirm. Your photo appears on the canvas, and you'll see its layer listed in the Layers panel on the right, typically called Background. Next, move to the Layers panel, right-click that background layer, and select Blending Options. This opens the Layer Style window, where all the effects live. To enable a border shadow, check the option labeled Drop Shadow. Checking it turns the effect on, but to really control how it looks, click directly on the words Drop Shadow in the list so the detailed controls appear. Now let's dial in a clean, modern border shadow. For a uniform shadow around all sides, set distance to 0. This anchors the shadow directly behind the image instead of pushing it in one direction. Use size to control how soft and wide the shadow spreads. A higher size creates a smoother, more natural fall-off. Spread increases the thickness of the shadow's edge. Keep it low for subtlety. Raise it if you want a bolder rim. Adjust opacity to set how visible the shadow is. If you want a gentle hint, try a lower opacity. For a more pronounced frame, go higher. Angle controls the direction of the light. When distance is 0, angle matters less, but you can still use it if you prefer a directional look. For color, click the swatch. A neutral dark gray often blends better than pure black, and Multiply is a reliable blending mode for realistic shading. Make sure Preview is enabled so you can see changes live on your canvas. If the shadow looks too harsh, reduce spread or opacity. If it feels too faint, nudge size up a bit. Small adjustments go a long way, and the ideal settings can vary based on your photo's background and contrast. When you're satisfied with the border shadow, click OK to apply the style and return to your canvas. That's it, you've added a polished border shadow in Photopea, giving your image extra depth and focus with just a few quick tweaks. Feel free to revisit the Layer Style window anytime to refine the look as your project evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your designs with this simple, versatile effect.